Welcome to this stunning video of the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. In this video, we are treated to the sight of two legendary Supermarine Spitfires. The Spitfire used a unique elliptical wing shape that, combined with innovative sunken rivets, gave the aircraft a higher top speed than most fighters of the time. In total, 1,351 Spitfires were built and remained in military service until 1961. The camouflage P-7350 is an early model Spitfire Make 2 of the only Spitfire that participated in the Battle of Britain in 1940 and remains airworthy to this day. The blue-painted PM-631 is a Spitfire Make 19. Make 19 was the last version of a series of photo reconnaissance Spitfires which were completely unarmed, instead utilizing speed and altitude to avoid being intercepted over enemy territory. PM-631 was delivered to the RAF in 1946, so she was too late to see any sort of operational service. Thank you for watching, so welcome to like and follow.